Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the photo in Picsart and locating the appropriate tools. Use the Remove tool for simple words or the clone stamp when background patterns repeat. Once done, zoom to about 100% and adjust brush size so the selection just covers the letters. You want a careful first pass. Tap and drag over the word, or sample an adjacent area with clone stamp. Make sure to work slowly here, because this first edit sets the foundation for a seamless result. Now you refine. Switch to heal or clone to rebuild texture where the word was. You should sample nearby pixels frequently so color and grain match. Press and release with short strokes rather than long swipes to avoid repetitive patterns. Also adjust opacity and feather settings to soften edges. This helps the patched area blend into shadows and highlights. If the background has gradients or noise, alternate between heal and clone until transitions look consistent and nothing reads as an obvious path. Finish by inspecting the whole image at different zoom levels to catch any leftover artifacts. Once satisfied, use Selective Enhance or the Brightness/Contrast tools to match tones, then export in the desired quality. If you see ghosting or repeating patterns, go back and reclone using different sample points and lower opacity. This breaks up repetition. One key troubleshooting tip: if the area still looks wrong, add a subtle noise filter to mask micro differences and make the edit appear natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.